Today we are trying to see if Oreo will stay home without anyone. I am in this room, but Oreo doesn't know that. So everybody said bye to him and locked the door. They went. He started howling after half an hour. Can you hear him? He's barking. He's howling. Oreo clearly does not know that I'm at home. He's howling. I want to see how long he can stay without anybody at home. So today I'm going to stretch as far as possible. If he's in a very bad situation, then I'll go. Otherwise, he's going to stay as this. I finished all my work, but I'm watching some programs on my mobile quietly. And Oreo is howling from time to time. I'm not going. I want to go and tell him that I'm here, but I'm not going. Suddenly my dinner alarm went off and he came and scratched the door and tried smelling, but I immediately stopped it. He went on to howling again. He's scratching the door. I think I should go to meet him. It's been 1 hour. He is fine inside the house. Actually, there is one mistake happened. We didn't switch on the lights. We didn't open the balcony door. So even if he wants to go out to the balcony, he cannot. And it's dark right now. I don't know how far he's liking that fact. Maybe it's time for me to go. You can hear in the background. He's howling continuously. Earlier it was only half at sometimes, but now he's continuously howling. And in between he's barking, so maybe he needs my attention. It's 6:50. I want to wait till 7. After 7, I will go. It's time I go and see him. Let me go. Let me take you along. Oreo. ఏంట్రా ఎక్కడే హౌల్ చేస్తున్నావు? Where are you howling? He was completely fine and he saw me. He was okay with it. Let me see what all he did in the house now. This door was closed, but now it is open. He didn't do anything here. Come on, you. Come. Come. Here, come. I don't know how that opened. Let me check the office. Okay, he didn't do anything here as well. He didn't finish his food. That's okay. He didn't touch anything in the house. Oreo, you're a good boy. You were a good boy. So, totally, he's been a very good boy. But he missed us. This being his first time, he started howling. He didn't understand in the beginning what's happening. After that, he started howling. And he settled down. I think it's time we can leave him alone at the home for at least 1 hour. It's been an hour that he stayed. If I was quiet and if I was not worried that lights were not on and balcony door was not open and his blanket was not given to him, all that worry was going on in my head. If that was not there, I would have left him until Krishna and Kiki returned home. So it's a good experience.